Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will discuss capability maturity model. In our previous session, we have discussed risk maturity model (RMM). So both RMM and CMM describes maturity levels, but they focus on different areas. So let's break it down. Capability maturity model origin. It is developed for software engineering. It focuses maturity of processes and capabilities. Originally software development, later extended to IT business. So that is the difference. It focuses on software, originally software development, and it focuses on maturity of processes and later extended to IT business. The levels are same. As we have seen in our previous session in RMM risk maturity model, they have same level from level 1 to level 5. But here in capability maturity model improve how well an organization performs processes, software, IT, business. For example, a software company moves from no defined development process to agile standardized practices to predictive analytics for project delivery. In other hand, risk maturity model evolved from governance risk frameworks. Its origin is governance and risk frameworks. It focuses on maturity of an organization, risk management practices. So again, levels we have discussed in our previous session thoroughly um, regarding all the levels from 1 to 5. It improves risk governance, making risk management proactive and integrated with business strategy. For example, a bank moves from handling risk reactively to using metrics and continuous monitoring to predicting risk using data analytics. So the key differences are CMM. Focus areas capability of processes, software, IT business operations, RMM maturity of risk management practices. Goal CMM goal is to improve how processes are performed, and RMM main focus is improve how risks are managed and governed. So CMM origin is software engineering, and RMM is risk governance enterprise frameworks. So application, CMM development processes, IT services, business operation, RMM risk governance, compliance, enterprise risk management. For the CISSP exam, if question talks about process capability, then it is CMM. If question talks about risk management maturity, it is RMM. So both use 1 to 5 levels with similar names. Here you can see initial, ad hoc. So the processes are chaotic, unstructured. Success depends on individuals. So in those companies or startups, the individuals are stronger than system. So things are very chaotic. Processes are chaotic. Repeatable basic process exists. That means sometimes they follow for some uh, they follow for some use cases, and for some of them are not followed. So very unstructured but inconsistent across the organization. There is no consistency. Defined a level 3 organization wide standardized document processes guided by policy. So here they properly defined policies, and then they are guided by policy. So then organization wide standardized so document processes. So level 4 are managed processes monitored and measured with metrics management uses. So here processes are properly implemented, and then they are monitored and measured with metrics. Management uses data. So If there are some gaps, glitches that are addressed in this particular level, and then those are also reported to the management. Optimized continuous improvement. Obviously, this is a cycle, uh, and this is a cycle, and cycle continuous improvement. You reach to level 5, and then if improvement is needed, then you start again from level 1. A proactive best practices integrated, right? So that is about capability uh, maturity model. Only the difference is here we talk about processes, and in risk maturity model we talk about risk and governance, right? Um, in and they are map against NIST RMF, ISO 27001, COBIT, COSO. So as we have discussed thoroughly in our previous session, I would suggest, if you haven't gone through RMM session, kindly watch that video. That might help to understand regarding RMM in detail. So thank you so much for watching this session. If you have any question or feedback, please share in the feedback section.